Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. If you're a DIYer or someone who likes to fix things on their own, then these connectors and terminals may come in handy for you. We got this 100-piece bag from Rustark and it was just the thing for our project. So we had a saltwater chlorinator for our pool that was no longer working, and we suspected there was some connections that were either corroded or loose, and we were right. So we were able to replace them using these terminals. Now this set is 100 pieces and actually comes with 4 different styles. 2 of these are spring quick connect and 2 of the styles are a screw down connect. The ones that have the screws are made from a brass screw, and these are actually very nice quality. In fact, these have a really high temperature resistance. They can actually work at -40 degrees Celsius to 150 degrees Celsius, and they have a really long life, can actually be used for up to 50 years. So really nice quality connectors that work really great. So if you've got a little project or a little repair that you need to do and you're looking for some quality connectors, then I would definitely recommend this variety pack from Rustark because they will definitely come in handy at some point. And that's my point of view.